decibels because among the other people, because she says she cried aloud. She was not used to this environment. People like he was around him. जिनमें वो थी वहाँ का माहौल like this we have today. This is first time I am using this board and I don't have much exposure about this board. So looking in this environment, I feel my breath choking. Why? Because this is a new technology. Similarly, a woman who hails from India, and now she is trying to adjust herself somewhere in American school. And in American school, she has to experience many things that were uncommon there at her home. उसके घर में वो सारी चीजें ऐसी नहीं थी, लेकिन उसको फॉलो करने के लिए there is a friend who tells her that this lady is actually thinking that they are going to chop the bread. Bread, you understand? You know, या फिर बनाने लटर, क्वेश्चन पर्सन आता लटर, ठीक है? लेकिन उर्दू में क्या बोलते हैं? चोटी, है ना? तो चोटी काटने का काम अब शुरू होने जा रहा था. Why? Because the school rules allowed that their brain has to be chopped before they move to the next thing. So I cried aloud. She says that it was a crying sound that I was actually doing. Why? Shaking my head all the while until I felt the cold bloods. When I felt cold bloods on my neck, somewhere at the back of my neck, I was feeling the cold. It is actually fear of cutting the chopping the bread. Why? Because she had never been, given this type of permission to cut or shingle the hair. This is why she is feeling it embarrassing. Embarrassing in the sense at her home it was considered an uncanny thing. It was considered a bad thing if someone's braid is being chopped. If someone's hair are cut, it seemed that he was either a coward or he was shingled. या उसको ये कि उसकी बेइज्जती मानी जाती है. जैसे मैंने कल बोला आपको, अगर किसी मोहल्ले में किसी लड़के या लड़की के बाल काटे जाते हैं तो it's considered something uncanny. It's considered something sham. It's a shameful, embarrassing thing. So then, until I felt the cold blades of the scissors against my neck, means here at the back of my head, heard them nail off one. There is this word. This word is very much important. Nail off means cutting similarly at the same time. Cutting. You understand this? And then one of my thick braids. My braids were very much thick. मेरी जो चोटियां थी, मोटी चोटियां थी. इनको काटना जरा मेरे लिए मुश्किल था. Then I lost my spirit. I lost my heart. Losing one's spirit means losing one's heart. मैंने अपनी हिम्मत हार दी. Why? Because the only thing I was carrying from my home was my braid, and that's it was being cut. यहाँ पे rule ये था कि इनको काट दिया जाता. मेरा हुस्न उसी में था. According to my perception of beauty, it was something beautiful that I was sacrificing. वो जो मैं चीज sacrifice कर रही थी, it was my braid, and now this spirit, I lost my spirit. Since the day I was taken from my mother, I had suffered extreme indignity. जब से मैं मेरी माँ से जुदा हुई, I was feeling disrespected. Why? It was because the rules that were there, established there in the institution, were against the laws and the rules of my clan, of my dynasty, of my family. Okay? Then people had stared at me. People were watching at me. People were watching me. वो लोग मुझे देख रहे थे. मेरे लोग मुझे देख रहे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि I was having shingled hair. I was having my braids cut. मेरी जो ब्रेड थी वो कटी हुई थी. तो इस वजह से it was an embarrassing thing. People would come and they would stare at me. They would watch me, and they would just they would give lot of bad names to me. In my anguish means when I was very much anxious, anxiety, मेरी परेशानी में, what I felt, I mourned for my mother. मैं मेरी माँ के लिए चिल्लाते रहा. Moon means चिल्लाना, दर्द से चिल्लाना, ठीक? And then, but no one came to comfort me. There was nobody who would come and give me kind of solicitation. कोई ऐसा नहीं था जो मुझे solicit करता, ये दिलासा देता ताकि मैं थोड़ा सा comfort feel करती, ठीक? Not the soul reasoned quietly with me. मेरे साथ कोई नहीं था. मतलब मैं अकेली थी और इस मुसीबत को अकेले झेल रही थी, ठीक। But no one came to my comfort, not a soul reasoned quietly with me, as my own mother used to do. जैसे मेरी माँ कभी कभार जब मैं परेशान होती थी, she would come and give a kind of solicitation to me and I would feel better. तो मैं अच्छा फील करती. For now I was only one of many animals driven by a herder. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे मैं भी वो मैं एक जानवर की तरह थी और वो जो शेफर्ड होता है वो मुझे भी ड्राइव कर रहा था, चला रहा था, ठीक। And then we too are human beings. Next scene starts. Then she writes about why we are considered worse than an animal. हमें animals जैसा हमारे साथ behavior क्यों दिखाते हैं? We too are human beings. We have the same structure. We have the same thing. Why are you not laughing? Are you feeling? वो कहते हैं ना वो 3 days में सर बहुत मजा आ रहा है. It's like that. So when we too are human beings means how this word of then she says Bama. Bama is a word that has been written here. That the second scene starts with Bama. When I was studying in 3rd class, I hadn't yet heard people speak openly about untouchability. Now the thing is untouchability. What is this untouchability? It's a big concept in India. Many people on the basis of this racial discrimination, kind of apathy, not in African type of apathy, but in Indian type of apathy, it's considered humiliating that people who are Brahmins, they don't touch the Dalits. Dalits को वो touch नहीं करते, तो इस system को, इस caste system को कहते हैं untouchable. When I was studying in the 3rd class, what happened? I hadn't yet heard people speak openly. I haven't heard people talking about untouchability because I was not in my full senses. मैं अभी उस हिसाब से मैंने होश नहीं संभाला था, तो things were completely as normal and easy as it was for others. So she says, I hadn't yet come across with this thing that there is something like untouchability. Okay. But I had already seen, felt, experienced and been humiliated by what it is. लेकिन इस सारे प्रोसेस में से मैं गुजरी और इस प्रोसेस में गुजरने के बाद I have seen it, I have felt it, I have experienced it and then been humiliated. When I saw these many things, I was processing towards, I was going through these processes, these humiliating attitudes of Brahmins, elite classes, and I was actually thinking that it's not something I was taking it easy. It is a bigger thing. It's a big humiliating thing. Okay? I was walking home from school one day. एक दिन मैं स्कूल से घर आया. So what happened? An old bag hanging from my shoulders. It was an old bag because I didn't belong to upper class. I belonged to a lower class, and my bag was equally on the same pattern. It was an old bag. It was a torn bag. एक टूटा फूटा कटा हुआ बैग था जो कि मेरे पीठ में था, जिसको मैं कैरी करूं. It was actually possible to walk the distance in 10 minutes, and the distance from my home to from school to my home was just 10 minutes. ये 10 मिनट का सफर था, 10 मिनट का ये फैसला था. But what happened? It was actually possible to walk a distance in 10 minutes, but usually it would take me 30 minutes at every week, at the very least to reach home. लेकिन मुझे क्या हो रहा था? मेरे 30 मिनट लग रहे थे जब मैं कार पहुंचती थी. हालांकि था तो ये 10 मिनट का फैसला. It was not a long journey. It was just a 10 minutes distance from school to home, from school to home, or from home to school. Okay? But it would take me 30 minutes. मुझे 30 मिनट लगते थे घर तक आते आते. वो क्यों? देखते हैं. It would take me from half an hour to an hour to double along. Double means इधर जाना, उधर जाना. कभी आधा घंटा, कभी 1 घंटा लग जाता था इधर उधर मुख्तलिफ चीजों को देखते देखते घर पहुंचने में. ठीक? Then watching all the fun and games that were going on. जो कि रास्ते में बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही होती थी ना, वो सारी चीजें मैं देखते देखते मस्त तरीके से घर पहुंचती थी और मेरा टाइम लग जाता था 1 घंटा या आधा घंटा, जबकि ये सफर था सिर्फ 10 मिनट का, ठीक, 10 मिनट का। वो क्या गेम्स थी? ऑल एंटरटेनिंग नोवेल्टीज, नोवेल्टी मींस न्यू थिंग्स, नोवेल्टी मींस नॉवल नहीं बल्कि नोवेल्टी मींस न्यू थिंग्स, नई थिंग्स हैं। Oddities in the streets, many odd things that were happening in the streets. जब मैं घर आ रही थी स्कूल से तो बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी थी जो कि they were very much entertaining, but they were also at the same time odd things. I should not have watched them. मैंने उनको भी देखना चाहिए था, लेकिन चूंकि they were so fascinating, so attractive that I would spend most of my time in watching all those things and games. The shops and the bazaar, the shops and the market, all these things were happening. The performing monkey, जैसे वो होता है ना कालू मदारी का, you understand, ठीक? तो ये आता था, he was tricking the monkey, and the monkey tricks were being shown in the streets. वो monkey वाले shows दिखाई देते थे. The snake which snake charmer kept in its box and displayed from time to time. और वो जोगी जो आता था उसके बक्से में एक सांप होता था और वो सांप निकाल के सांप को अपने ट्यून्स पे नचवाता था. ये ट्यून्स को understand? वो बीन पे नचवाता था, ठीक? And then displayed time, and then kept in its box and displayed from time to time. The cyclist who had not got off his bike for 3 days. और वो एक आदमी था जो कि साइकिल चलाता था, 3 दिन से चलाता ही जा रहा था. He was, pedaling it for almost 3 days, not taking a single minute's rest. 3 दिन तक कोई पैडल करता रहे तो it sounds something miraculous. ठीक? ये कोई miracle दिखता है क्योंकि इंसान थक जाता है. But this man was not tired of this. नहीं. अच्छा. Then who kept pedaling hard as he could from break of the day. But he was not taking even a single day's break. He was not taking a recess. वो recess नहीं लेता था. He was not taking break. He was doing it continuously. Who's the cycle? The rupee notes that were pinned on his shirt to spur him on. और इसके शर्ट पे एक बटन था. It was not actually a button, it was a rupees note. और उसे ये पता चलता था कि this man is here for some special entertainment. Okay? Then the spinning wheels, the Maryada temple, the huge bell hanging there, the pongal offerings being cooked in front of the temple, the dried fish stall by statue of Gandhi, the sweet stall, the stall selling fried snakes, and all these other shops next to each other. The street lights always demonstrated how it could change from blue to white. Now she is giving a complete description of distractions that were happening in the streets, that these were the games, these were the things that were actually hindering her actual distance. They were becoming the speed breakers in her way to reach home. जो घर जाते जाते ये सारे एंटरटेनमेंट्स, कोई किसी मंदिर के सामने कोई ऑफरिंग मतलब का न्याजा प्याजा पे उसके सामने या कुंजा उसका साइकिलिस्ट आसान साइकिल चलाना, कुंजा उस मंकी मैन शोइंग द ट्रिक्स ऑफ मंकी, कोई कहीं और बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी. That were lot of distractions that were distracting me from the real focus in my journey. मेरी जर्नी का फोकस था कि मैं कब घर पहुंचूं, क्योंकि 10 मिनट का सफर था, but it was taking much of its time while I was watching many things. अभी तक उसने ये बता रही है कि there are many things, but we too are humans का जिक्र नहीं हुआ. We कह रहे हैं ना, the title is we too are humans. हम भी इंसान हैं. इस वाली इसकी कोई अभी बात जिक्र नहीं, बल्कि she is telling that how many things happen in the way, and I was very much enjoyed and engrossed and entangled in these things because I was thinking the world is as innocent as I am. But as I grew up, यूं ही मैं बढ़ती गई, जब मेरी समझ में समझ आने लगी, things were starting change. बहुत सारी चीजें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चेंज होनी शुरू हो गई. क्यों चेंज होनी शुरू हो गई? Because now I started realizing that something different is happening at some place. Okay. This is all. At times, people from various political parties would arrive, put up a stage, and handle us through their mics. No magic, no miracles can perform. So this would happen from time to time. But almost certainly there would be some entertainment or the other going on. Then he says that sometimes some politicians would come and they would carry mics with them, and then they would start giving their versions, giving their speech, and these things would give us much time so that we would engross in their political words. So maneuvering all these things. Up chalte hain. Even other, there were the coffee clubs in the bazaar, the ways each waiter cooled the coffee, lifting tumbler high up and pouring its content into the tumbler, held in his other hand, and on the way some people sat in front of the shops chopping up onions, their eyes turned elsewhere so that they would not smart on the almond tree growing there and its fruit, which was occasionally blown down by the wind. All these sights taken together would scatter my legs and stop me from going home. So ये कह रही है कि then the second scene was she giving total description and full total description of many things that were happening in the way when she was actually trying to reach home early in just 10 minutes. But it would take her some good amount of 1 hour so to reach home. Because these all things, sometimes some people were chopping the onions and they were not looking at the onions, they were watching something else, but they are actually saying the skill. How they were skilled to chop onions without watching the onion itself. Okay? And then there was a coffee man who was selling cold coffee. But tumbler भी जिसे कोई पी दे, ठीक? So they were, drinking or they were taking tea, coffee from the cup without watching towards. They were doing like this because so that it would be a kind of a miracle because coffee does not fall on their face. Okay? These were many things that were being actually done in the way, and I was very much engrossed. I was very much fascinated by these things. So it was something that would distract me from going home. Okay? Then according to the season there would be mango, cucumber, sugar cane, sweet potato, plum, palm, shoots, canned syrup and palm fruits, guavas and grapefruits. Every day I would see people selling sweet and sugar fried snakes, payasam, boiled tamarind seeds and iced lollies. Gazing at all this, one day I came to my street. My bag slung over my bag slung over my shoulders at the opposite corner. Though a thrashing floor had been set up, and the landlord watched the proceedings seated at a piece of sagging spread over a stone flat. Our people were hard at work, driving cattle in pairs round and round to tread out their grains from the straw. The animals were muzzled so that they wouldn't help themselves to straw. I stood for a while there watching the fire. Just then an elder of our street came along from the direction of the bazaar. The manner in which he was walking along made me want to double up. I wanted to shriek with laughter at the sight of such a big man carrying a small packet. In that fashion, I guess there was something like bade or green banana bhaji in the packet. Because the wrapping paper was stained with oil, he came along holding out the packet by the string without touching it. I stood there thinking to myself, if he holds it like that, would the package come undue and the bhaji fall out? Now, what's the summary of this passage or summary of this paragraph? He says, one day what happened, an old man, an elder man of my kabila, of my clan was coming. He was holding a little bag, holding a little bag, in which there was something very much oily. The oil stand out of the bag. वो जो बैग था उसके बाहर से तेल दिख रहा था, ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे इसमें कोई तली हुई चीज है, वो तेल उसमें से बाहर आया था. Because the bag, the wrapper was actually of paper. वो पेपर का था, पेपर जल्दी रिफ्लेक्ट करता है thing, ठीक। तो इस वजह से मैंने सोचा ये मैं I was shrinking with laughter, मैं हंस रही थी, I was rolling with the laughter, मैं खिलखिला के हंस रही थी, because I was thinking this man, a very old man, is carrying this bag with him. It's not so heavy, but he is taking short strides. He is taking long, very short steps. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चल रहा था, ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे इसको बहुत बोझ है, इसके कानों पे बड़ा बोझ है. But nothing such was happening. It was something. He was moving towards a man who was a landlord, sitting on a stone. वो जो कि एक पत्थर पे बैठा हुआ था. He had kept a safe. मोहरी उसमें डाली हुई थी. And he was actually watching all my Kabila people. They were very hard workers. They were working very hard. These Kabila people were actually working hard. And even the animals were not muzzled. The animals were not given the pan जो कि हमारे जैसे लोगों को हम लोगों को पैन दिया जा रहा था. Animals को भी वो यानी जानवरों को भी उतना पैन नहीं दिया जा रहा था. It was something that shook my mind. That actually that was a thought-provoking thing. ये बहुत ही thought-provoking thing था मेरे लिए कि मैंने सोचना यही से शुरू कर दिया. Animals के लिए respect है लेकिन मेरे कबीले के लिए कोई respect नहीं है. They are hard working. They are actually taking grains out of the straw. घास में से वो अनाज निकाल रहे थे और वो जो घास वहाँ रहती थी बाहर उसके बाद जो रहती थी उस घास के लिए भी एक आदमी को जाना था कि उसको काट के चारा बना के इनके पास रखना था, जानवरों के सामने डालना था. That means people of my community were worse than animals. They were treated worse than animals. Then she gives this connection gives that we too are humans. हम भी तो इंसान ही हैं. हमारे साथ ऐसा शुरू क्यों होता? The elder went straight up to the landlord. जो हमारे कबीले का बुजुर्ग था, वो सीधे गया लैंडलॉर्ड के पास. Bowed low, झुका. उसके बाद extended the packet towards him. हाथ गजे पर फुल्लोनस. सुना इसे फुल्लाना. The bag दे दिया उसको. Extended the packet means giving it to him. And cupping the hand, opened and parcel and began to eat the water. तो उसने हाथ ऐसे झुका के कहा कि वो निकल गया. This means this shows the slavery of a man and the mastery of another man. One is master, another is slave. This is the relationship that made us think that we too are humans. We too do the same things as other people like other people do. But why we are treated worse than animals? हमें क्यों इंसानों जैसा सलूक हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं होता? हमें क्यों जानवरों से बदतर समझा जाता है? जी? After I had watched all this, at last I went home. My elder brother was there. I told him the story in all its comic details. I fell about with laughter at the memory of a big man and an elder at that, making such a game out of carrying the parcel. But Anand was not amused. Anand told me the man wasn't being funny when he was carrying the packet like that. He said everybody believed that they were upper caste and therefore must not touch us. If they did, they would be polluted. That's why he had to carry the packet by its string. तो ये कह रहा है कि मैंने ये पूरी story, I told this entire story to my brother. When I went home, I saw my brother there. I told him everything about the journey. This 10 minutes journey became an hour's journey. And I told everything of that because I wanted to tell him that why there are certain elderly people that are carrying things in the streets. किसी रस्सी में पकड़ के, हालांकि डायरेक्ट हाथ नहीं लगाते उसको उस खाने को, किसी रस्सी में पकड़ के ऐसे ऐसे चला के किसी बड़े आदमी को देते हुए मैंने देखा. Then my brother told it's actually they consider us we are not people who can touch their things, their food even. हम वो लोग नहीं हैं जो लोग उनके खाने को डायरेक्टली टच कर सके. और then it will our touching will pollute their food. उनके हिसाब से कि हम जब उनके खानों को हाथ लगाते हैं वो pollute हो जाता है, वो गंदा हो जाता है. ठीक? So therefore the entire story is how she said that we are not treated like human beings. Thank you very much.